Good morning, Yuma, Arizona. We're here at Regal's Auto and Diesel. We're here with Nathan Espino, our first ever winner of our free automotive repair drawing. Nathan, you probably have a lot of emotions currently at the moment. Please let the people know what you're feeling and let them know that this is legit. This is actually happening.
Yes, I am very excited. This is a real deal, man. I mean, I looked it up on the social media. I seen it there on Facebook and I followed all their prompts and, just followed what they said to do, all the guidelines. And, I did that and, entered on the raffle just like as they said. And, I'm the first winner here. So I'm very excited and you guys are awesome. And thank you. This is a real deal.
It is our pleasure, Nate, and thank you for sharing your side of the story. We're very grateful and blessed to be able to help such a wonderful person in our community. And thank you also for sharing your side of the story. Nevertheless, let's get to your repairs. So when Nathan Espino's Chevy Suburban originally came into the shop, it was because of a main oil seal issue and because the vehicle was turning off. And for us to properly diagnose the issue, we had a pressure wash underneath the undercarriage to create more visibility for the diagnostic. We did try turning on the vehicle and it would not start up for us. One way of determining where the leak is coming from is to apply a special dye into the vehicle, and usually that will help us out determine where exactly it's coming from. After working on the vehicle, the guys determined that it was the crankshaft position sensor, spark plugs, and ignition coil that needed replacing to get the vehicle going. After all the repairs were made, no more leaks were found. It was time to take it to the car wash and get it ready for Nathan. Great to see you again, Nathan. By now, you've had the car over the weekend. You've had time to drive it, get a feel for it. We just want to know, was everything okay with the car? Were we able to fix the problem? Are you satisfied with the work?
Yeah, first time I brought it in, it had some issues. They brought it back to me and now it's all working in better condition than I brought it in. And everything seems to be working great. And I had it over the weekend and I took it out for a ride and everything working still great. So check engine light's not on anymore and they hold their end of the bargain. So raffle's legit, you guys.
Thank you for sharing your experience, Nathan, and coming out all the way out here to do this video with us. We're happy to hear that the vehicle is running great. And for anybody else interested in the drawing, we're going to have this drawing every Monday at 9 a.m. if you guys want to participate and be a winner just like Nathan.